Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Nintendo Switch gaming console. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the device. Next, remove the rear cover by unscrewing 10 screws. The screw number 5 is located beneath the kickstand. Open it to access it. Additionally, there are two screws near the charging port, one near the fan, and a central screw on each side. Please note that the rear cover is primarily secured by the middle screws on the sides. Once all 10 screws are free, gently pull out the cover from the body. Next, remove the screw securing the SD card holder. And gently disconnect the plug to detach the card reader flex from the body. Next, undo 6 screws holding the shield in place, and then use a pry tool to release the unit from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, apply some heat to release the adhesive under the battery. For this, use a heat gun or something similar device. Make sure not to apply heat if the battery is swollen. Next, gently use the pry tool to lift the battery. This process may take time, so proceed with caution. Next, place and secure the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector to the board. Next, place and secure the shield by adding 6 screws. Next, place and secure the SD card unit and secure the connector. And then fasten the unit by adding the screw. Finally, place the rear cover on the body and then secure it by adding 10 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.